that rescue team. Oh, nice. What kind of vehicle is that? Huh? Is it fire truck?
A fire truck.
Huh? Yummy? Huh? What are you eating? Huh? Yummy? Apa? Huh? Not running? Huh? Huh? Oh, Baba not here. When Baba comes. Go that side. Go. Huh? Okay, where? Go that side. Sige. Fire the zombie. Oh my gosh, too much zombie. Oh my gosh. Too much. You're right. Sit down. Why? Zido will eat.
So it's already voting. So assuming this is
School bus? Oh. The Halloween stuff there.
that is, I the seats.
That's the Halloween.
1 hour charging, sir. So that you. Okay. So this one is water resistant. This is water when you charge it. Dry the water from the charging point before charging. It's when it's and
It's Lego. How many bricks are there? See?
1,000.
Thousands of bricks, Zaid. It's a cart. It's like your cart. Oh, same. What's inside? So I think it's organic or something. Yes. There's another one there. Oh. What do you want? The green? Red is better. Huh? You want green? What's wrong? Huh? Uy! Huh? To the mall. Goodbye, mall. Let's go. Let's go, Baba. Let's go out, Baba.